Eh, Good morning, teacher. I'm going to talk about an interesting place I've been in, the Armenia Park. Eh, Hello, my name is Christian, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting place I've been to. Last week I went camping with my friends at the Armenia Park. It's a beautiful place near my city, surrounded by nature, trees and fresh air. We spent the weekend there and it was a great experience. We set up our tents and made a barbecue at night. We grilled meat, played music, and shared stories around the fire. I really enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere and the time with my friends. It was a perfect way to disconnect from stress and enjoy nature. I had a lot of room and I would love to go back again soon. Thank you.